Google Translate expands live translation to all earbuds on Android. So if you have a pair of earbuds and you have Android, your life just got better for you. Earbuds to where you can have conversation and take calls, not just earbuds for music. They said Google finally opened up its live translation feature to a much wider audience. Now, before, the ability to have a real-time conversation in 2 different languages was something Google kept exclusive to its own Pixel Buds. But they said, no, we're just going to open it up to everybody. As long as you have a pair of earbuds that support Google Assistant and you're using an Android phone, you can use the Translates app's conversation mode. This includes popular options like Bose, Sony, and even some budget-friendly models. The way it works is fairly straightforward. You just basically hold down the dedicated assistant button on your earbuds and say, help me speak Spanish, or whatever other language that's out there. The phone handles the heavy lifting, listening to the person speaking and feeding the translation directly into your ears. When you want to reply, you speak through your earbud mic, and the phone speaker plays the translation back to the other person. They say the move feels like a natural step for Google. The feature is far more useful for the average person. And it is on those rare tech updates that actually makes traveling or communicating with people in your community a little bit easier without requiring you to buy into a specific brand ecosystem. So no more, I got to have Pixel Buds, I got to have Bose, I got to have this kind of brand, right? You can now say, as long as I got a Google Assistant and I can utilize it, I just open it up and it will translate. So especially if you travel a lot, think about people that are in hospitals, think about foreigners with the World Cup coming to multiple cities this June and you need to communicate with somebody from a different language. You can just literally open up your phone and say, boom, here you go. And that's what it is. Basically, it is a small but meaningful change in how we are using these devices, and we're already using them every day. So this is already a cool feature as is, right? So now it's just one of those things where you get a chance to just do what you do. And now you can have a conversation with somebody that probably is not even thinking about that. Yeah, that's kind of what's going on. So if you have an Android phone, Google Pixel Buds, or any other earbuds, as long as you have Google Assistant, you are good to go. That's pretty much it. No game, no gimmick. It should already be in your phone. I just haven't met anybody that speaks a different language because I definitely want to try this with my Shocks earbuds that I use every week. So that would definitely be kind of cool to say, hey, you speak Spanish. Let me open up my Google Assistant and then you can see everything that's being said and hear back the AI generated voice. And then I can hear everything that you're saying in my ear. That's pretty dope. It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.